I just got all this HomeKit stuff. Let's unbox it all and see if I got anything good. Let's start with this cassette smart switch. I got a lot of these, but we'll just open one. If we get it opened up and pull it out, you'll see we get some wire nuts, and then we get the switch itself, instructions, more instructions. And here's the actual light switch, and you'll get an on, off, and 2 dimmer buttons to dim the lights. The switch is pretty thick, and it's got these big plates to help with dimming, but if you bend them back, it's easier to put in a wall with multiple switches. My wife and I are building a house, and we're gonna fill it with these Lutron switches, so stay tuned for that video. This is the Morose garage door opener, and it has HomeKit, which is pretty cool. This little device will let you turn most garage door openers into a HomeKit garage, which is really cool. This is a sensor you'll stick on the garage door, which will tell your device if the garage is open or closed. This is the device that you'll put on your current garage door opener, and it actually connects to HomeKit. You'll stick this cable in the same spot as your garage door button. The last box has this power adapter, which obviously plugs into this USB and gives this HomeKit device power. Next, I got this 3-pack of AAR door sensors, and I'm super excited to set these up and get some automations going. Opening up this first box, we'll just get 3 more boxes, and let's take one of these things out and get this unboxed. Inside this box, we'll get some instructions, which it seems like a lot, but it's just a lot of different languages. Then we have another box, which actually has the sensors inside of it. This is the actual sensor, and this is just a magnet, and these can stick pretty much anywhere because they're really small. You can stick these anywhere like a door, window, or drawer, and it will tell you if it's open or closed, and you can run some really cool automations with this. Next, I got these Linksys Velop Pro 6E Wi-Fi routers, and I thought they had HomeKit, but I guess they don't, which is kind of a bummer, but that's all right. Okay, obviously I got the 2-pack, one for inside my house and then one for inside my garage. I'm gonna make my garage a garage gym, so it's important to me to have really good Wi-Fi. If we open up this side, you'll see we get some instructions telling you to download the app. We'll actually get 2 power cords for each router, of course, and then in here we get 1 Ethernet cable. I hope you like this video. My wife and I are actually building a home right now, and we're gonna fill it with HomeKit accessories, so stay tuned for more videos about HomeKit.